Hello everyone. In this video we want to make a single phase full bridge inverter in Simulink. So the application of the inverter is that we have one DC input and we want to make AC output. So for this purpose we need DC source, the IGBTs, and then we should connect it to a load. And for PWMs, we should make orders that make a signal like this. So if we have different switches, then we don't want to have activation for all of them. So first two of them and first this second two. Okay, so first we need the power GUI here. We put the power GUI here. Second, we need IGBT. IGBT diode. Okay, so the rotation is important. So for first one is like this one. Second one, exactly same. For ours also same. So make sure that this is like this. And we need a source, SimSCAP, electrical, special power system sources, and here we need a DC source like this. So this DC source should be connected to C here, this one here also, and from here we should connect like this. Good. So we have more or less this the inverter, and now we need a load, single phase load. We put RL here, and the value of the R we put 1 with 10, and for this one we just put 50 milli. Then how we can connect this? This one should be connected to this bridge, and this one also should be connected to here. Good. We need the measurements. We need voltage measurements to see how is the voltage here. From this side is just a constant, so we don't need that one. So just output to see it is AC or not. Scope like this. Good. So now we need to make the PWMs. Okay, we just connect the PWM like this here, and with the same order here. Okay, so the period, because we want to make it 50 hertz inverter, so it's 50 hertz. So it's actually 1 divided by 50 hertz, so it will be 0.2. Pulse width, it should be 50. Here's the same here, but we want to have these two in the other side. So for example, when it's activated, it's not activated. So we need the logical operator. Here we have different logical operator. This one here is AND. And then we should change it to NOT. To NOT. Here also is NOT, but if you want to change the icon shape, you can make it like this. So here's only this one. So we connect it here. So it meaning that when it's not, then this should be activated. For here is also the same. When it's not, this should be activated. So here we should also change the simulation type. We just put it to the default value. and then run the simulation. We have for 10 seconds, it's too much, we cannot see the output very well. We should reduce it later. I reduce it to, for example, 10 cycle. So we can see it's just pulse. It's not exactly sinusoid. And if we look at the current, here the current that passed to the load, here. You can see it's more sinusoid. So it is different with the voltage one. So here is pulse, here is sinusoid.